Your brand may be staying on top of current trends, but are you agile enough to stay relevant, resilient, and successful as customers, competition, and the world continues to change at a breakneck pace? I'm thrilled to share the newly revised version of my first book, The Agile Brand. I'm calling it The Agile Brand Revisited. It's been updated to reflect our continually changing world, and it provides 7 principles that form the backbone of an agile brand, offering detailed insights and actionable steps for incorporating them into your business strategy. This is the book that started it all, and I'm excited to share it with you. It's now available in print and digital formats and available everywhere. Learn more by going to the Agile Brand Guide website at www.agilebrandguide.com. Welcome to Season 4 of The Agile Brand with Greg Kihlstrom, where we discuss business agility through customer experience, employee experience, and digital transformation. I'm your host, Greg Kihlstrom. The Agile World podcast is brought to you by TEKsystems, an industry leader in full-stack technology services, talent services, and real-world application. For more information, go to teksystems.com. To read more about the topics discussed on this show, you can go to my website at gregkihlstrom.com and read my latest articles or get a copy of my latest book, Meaningful Measurement of the Customer Experience, now available on Amazon and other retailers. My name is Greg Kihlstrom, and I'm the host of the Agile Brand podcast. Welcome to a special episode of the show brought to you by Attribution, an advanced multi-touch attribution company that empowers every marketer with the data to convert more buyers and maximize ROI. You can learn more about Attribution at www.attributionapp.com. Affiliate programs can be a great way for brands to expand their reach, with nearly 80% of brands and 84% of publishers already using some form of affiliate marketing. The benefits are numerous, from low startup and ongoing costs to targeted traffic and potentially high ROI. Many affiliate marketers struggle to track and pay out their affiliates because there can often be a lot of manual methods to tracking, using things like Excel spreadsheets and the like. I'm going to be talking with David Hiltner, CEO of Attribution, and Cameron Horton, Senior Product Manager at Attribution, who recently launched a new affiliate marketing tool that can help affiliate marketers solve some of these challenges. David and Cameron, welcome back to the show. For those that may have missed some of our earlier episodes, why don't you give a brief overview of what Attribution does?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us. Excited to be back. So for Attribution, what our platform aims to do is to give you a true look at your return on investment. So instead of just looking at these individual conversion channels, what we do is we bring in all this data, all the conversions, all the spend, visits, and clicks, so that you can analyze it using attribution analytics and also reduce the double counting that a lot of these ad platforms give. So really giving you that true look into your marketing ROI.
I think that attribution enables marketers and data individuals within the organizations to make better data-driven decisions, seeing the full and accurate picture with a true audible model.
Well, let's get started by first getting an overview of what we mean by affiliate marketing and what Attribution's affiliate marketing product does. For those less familiar with the term, what exactly do we mean by affiliate marketing, and what are some of the challenges that affiliate marketers face?
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, I think this is a great point. So what we mean by affiliate marketing is rewarding individuals or companies when they bring in new visitors or customers through their own marketing efforts. So what that really looks like is it could be a YouTuber reviewing a product saying, oh, this is great, you should buy this, follow the link below. Could be an Instagram influencer posting videos or pictures, or a blogger writing about a certain product. So I think most people now have at least experienced affiliate marketing on the other end, where you go, okay, well, this is somebody that I follow, this is somebody I watch, they're recommending this product or recommending this service, so I'm going to go sign up or ultimately purchase. For the challenges that the affiliate managers face, really they're facing a couple main challenges. So one is organization. So when you're only dealing with, let's say, 1 or 2 affiliates, it's pretty easy to keep track of them. Let's say you have an Excel spreadsheet. You go, okay, John Smith has brought in 3 conversions. These are the payout that I need. However, that system starts to break down fairly quickly, even when you get to, let's say, 10, 20, or even thousands of individuals that are part of your affiliate program. Now you're trying to keep track of 1,000 individuals with maybe different offers, different conversions, different payout rules. So what happens here is you start missing data, you start missing their payments. I think some of us have even seen this with those affiliates where they tend to be very open about that as well. So when you miss these payments, you're damaging your relationship with these affiliate marketers, but also your brand reputation as they talk about the challenges of being paid by your company. So with these spreadsheets, it's very difficult because you get into that organization challenge. The second challenge here would be around the data analytics. So since this is either in a different product outside of your analytics or a spreadsheet, you can't really see how this particular marketing channel, affiliate marketing, is interacting with your other platforms. With attribution, it being that data-driven, seeing that interaction between your different channels, this can be a huge blow because now you're missing a huge part of your customer journey just because it's not connected to the rest of the platform. And finally, if they do have an affiliate system, a lot of affiliates struggle or affiliate managers, I should say, struggle because these platforms have very, rigid rules where affiliate marketing tends to have very fluid or changing or dynamic rules in terms of rewarding individuals. So now you're stuck trying to fit your affiliate program into a platform that doesn't really support it.
So adding to that or kind of building on that, what are some of the challenges then that the affiliates themselves face?
With affiliate marketing really ballooning up, like you mentioned earlier, where 80% of B2C customers are using these affiliate programs, I think sometimes the technology can lag behind. And in this case, for the affiliates themselves, so the individuals that are going out marketing and trying to get these conversions, they have a lack of visibility into the program. So if you're using a spreadsheet and I am selling, let's say, your product, I can't see how many conversions you've tracked for me. I can't see all the different programs I could participate in. I can't see how much money I've made or when I'm going to get paid. Really, I'm just taking the advertiser or their company's word at face value. So it's hard to see and understand really what's going on. And, additionally, with that lack of clarity around getting paid, a lot of these different platforms and spreadsheets, because spreadsheets don't have that feature, you don't really know when you're going to get paid. You don't know how you're going to get paid. And it's, a difficult subject because you want to make sure that you're being compensated for the conversions, signups, or, whatever results you're providing. But without having that visibility into the system, you really don't know how that's going to work.
So now let's explore what the Attribution affiliate marketing product can do to help marketers, for which affiliate marketing is a key part of their approach. So one of the things that makes your affiliate marketing product unique is the flexibility regarding payout rules and other more granular controls. Can you talk a little bit more about this?
With other platforms, what we've seen is that they normally just allow one kind of payment and one kind of event. So let's say your affiliate drives a sign up, you could give them a flat percent, you could give them a flat rate saying, okay, for every sign up, I'll give you $2. However, it stops there. You're not able to make it where it's a little bit more of a tree, where you're saying, okay, well, really, I want people to come in, I want them to sign up for the subscription. However, I want to reward the affiliate when they get someone to sign up for the podcast, then sign up for the account, stay on the account for 3 months, and then ultimately purchase. So what Attribution affiliate allows you to do is to create these custom rules. We connect to your CRM or data connectors like a Segment. So any of these events can now become events or areas that you can start to reward your affiliates with. In addition, it's not just flat, it's not just one event. You can make it where it's an and, like, okay, I need them to sign up and make a purchase. You could do or, you could do a tree. So really this is letting you build out the offer to match what you want and what you need for this affiliate program. And additionally, we also have payout rules and limits so that you can control how these affiliates are getting paid and what kind of limits there are. So you can limit it where you could do it per affiliate. So like, okay, I only want to allow 1,000 conversions for this particular offer per affiliate or individual, so that affiliate can't just go to someone and sell 20,000, let's say, units,
right,
and then be rewarded for that 20,000. You can cap it per customer as well. So giving you that flexibility of controlling your affiliate budget so that they don't exceed it, and also protects a little bit from bad actors so that you don't get 1 million signups when really you're only expecting 1,000.
We've definitely taken the time to make sure that we were able to address most of the affiliate issues and problems that are out there. And having worked with other companies as we built this, it took us some time because we wanted to build it right. And as we finally launched this, it was we felt like we were addressing most of the needs in the marketplace from the affiliate side of things. So hats off to our product team too, and engineers who really kind of built this out from the ground up, and we're extremely excited about that.
Another benefit of the product that you briefly mentioned before is the automatic payouts feature. Can you elaborate a little bit more, explain what this does, and what makes this so helpful to both marketers and their affiliates?
I think this is a great feature. I think it's something that's going to save affiliate managers a lot of time and a lot of headache. So like you said, we touched a little bit on it before, but currently these affiliate managers, when you have to pay out your affiliates, if you're using a spreadsheet, it's a very manual process. You're going in, you're going, okay, John Smith, he's done 5. Okay, let's collect that. Let's make sure it's the same as our CRM. All right, let's collect this payment. Let's send it out to him, confirm he's got it. All right, mark it in my system that it's done. And for 1 or 2 affiliates, that's not too bad. You've spent, maybe an hour to do 1 or 2, but you get into that problem again when you start getting that 10, 20, 1,000 affiliates where just paying out them could take hours, it could take days. You start getting delays. You have affiliates reaching out to you saying, hey, you said you were going to pay us at the end of the month. What's happening? And you're drowning in all these different payments. So instead, in the attribution platform, when you sign up, you also sign up with our payment solution. So all you'd have to do is go into the platform, find John Smith, approve his conversions, just because you want a second look, just to make sure everything looks correct and nothing's weird. So you approve that conversion, you approve it in the payment solution, and the affiliate gets paid. So instead of spending hours or days trying to create and track, all you have to do is click 2 buttons, and that affiliate automatically gets paid through our payment partner.
Additionally, the affiliate marketing feature can connect to the rest of the attribution platform. So how does this help affiliate marketers?
Yeah, so the way that this helps affiliate marketers, kind of mentioned like above, where now this data can get pulled into your attribution platform, so you can begin to analyze it along with your other marketing channels. Currently, if you're using a spreadsheet or even other different products, sometimes they don't export their data the easiest way for us to consume. So now with it being built into the attribution platform, that data around visits, clicks, ad spend can now get pulled into the attribution platform so that you can analyze it with the rest of your marketing strategy to make those data-driven decisions, because you can understand, all right, so this is how the affiliate marketing programs are fitting into the customer journeys. This is how it's interacting with, let's say, our linear model or last touch. So really, it's giving you that insight into your into your affiliate programs, so that it's not a black box. You can see how it's working and how it's working in relation to the rest of your marketing channels.
So what is required of an affiliate marketer to get started with this new affiliate marketing platform from Attribution?
Another great benefit of this system is that it's really easy to set up. If you already have our attribution platform, all you would really have to do is invite your affiliates, where we have a tool where we can bulk invite them. So if you give us a list of, let's say, 1,000, we'll automatically send invites out to them through their email so they can get signed up. But on the back end, everything is set up. All the data connectors are there. If you have a data connector like Segment, something that feeds us data, all those events will be available within the platform, where you can create conversion events and different offers from. And if you don't have the attribution platform, very easy. All we need again is the affiliates that you have so that we can invite them to the platform. We'll talk with you about the offers, help you get set up, and then get you connected to whatever CRM, data connector, where you're tracking those conversions. We'll get you set up so that you can start sending out offers and paying out affiliates.
As a marketer, like really having an understanding of your customer journey and the ecosystem that's evolved, has evolved through that process, is super important for you to, as a growth marketer, to really kind of be able to understand that process and then double down in those areas so that you can replicate those opportunities as much as possible. So again, hats off to our product team and then also our engineering team. And, we're super excited. And again, I think from our perspective, with attribution, it's a low bar of entry for us, and in terms of like costs, and we're certainly happy to work with most organizations that are looking to adopt this, and our current customers obviously as well. So thanks Greg, for having us on, and look forward to our next podcast.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, thanks to David Hiltner, CEO, and Cameron Horton, Senior Product Manager at Attribution, for joining the show. Thanks for listening to the Agile Brand with Greg Kihlstrom, and this special episode of the show brought to you by Attribution, an advanced multi-touch attribution company that empowers every marketer with the data to convert more buyers and maximize ROI, and helps affiliate marketers more easily track and manage their affiliates. You can learn more about Attribution at www.attributionapp.com. See you next week. Thanks again for listening to the Agile Brand with Greg Kihlstrom podcast, brought to you by Tech Systems. If you enjoyed the show, please take a minute to subscribe on your podcast channel of choice and leave us a rating so that others can find the show more easily. You can access more episodes of the show at www.theagilebrand.show. To get a copy of my latest book, Meaningful Measurement of the Customer Experience, visit my website at gregkihlstrom.com. Until next week, stay agile.